How to log into CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. If you don't have CapCut available, you can simply open Play Store and download the application. After you have downloaded CapCut on your device, open it. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on arrow located at top left, and in here you will be able to edit your video without logging in. You can also create template without logging in, but if you want to log in, press on me at the bottom right, and from here you can choose any process you want. Log in to TikTok, sign in with Google, phone, email, or Facebook. Simply press on the one and you'll directly be linked to CapCut. And this is how to log in to CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.